Hello again, everyone. I first want to apologize for my plethora of videos. I just personally think it's easier to show you exactly what you need to do versus try to explain it to you over the phone or through pictures or messages. Um, so you can ignore them if you want to, but if you really need answers, please watch them. So now that you all have access to the Google Docs and you do not need to request access, it's going to, after you make a copy, send you to a page that looks like this. On this page, you cannot click, you cannot edit, and that is the purpose. This is exactly where you need to be. If you want, you can still access the links from this page. The only thing you can't do is if there's like an interactive activity, kind of like this one, you're not going to be able to drag, and that's okay. If you want to write it down or just go over it with your student, that is perfectly fine with me. If you would like them to have access to drag and participate, all you need to do is go up here to the top left corner. You're going to hit File, Make a Copy. You can name it whatever you want. Um, you can name it Thursday's Homework Student or your student's name, and then hit OK. This is going to take you to another document. And now you are the only person that can make changes. So for example, if I gave you all access to the original document, whoever touched the square and moved it, it would move away from whatever you were doing. So we would have 7 students working on the same exact document. So that is where just the making the copies comes from. So I hope that this answers everyone's question. I'm so sorry for the confusion. If there's ever a time that you need help, please don't hesitate to shoot me a text message. I am working all day, every day. My brain is a little fried, but we are getting through this. So I hope this helps. Stay calm, cool, collected. It is okay. You guys are doing a wonderful job. I am so impressed with all the work that everyone is doing. Thank you so much for just being you and doing what you do. I could never, ever do your job. So have a good night or day. Bye.